Hello everyone and welcome back to DJ Animations, and in this video we are going to make a 3D spoon using Blender. So if you like the spoon, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So without wasting any time, let's start with our 3D spoon.
So first of all, I will add a cube by going to add mesh and cube. Then I have to zoom a little bit. And now I will scale it down on the Z axis to make it a little bit thin. And now I will first go to the wire mesh mode and then I will go to the edit mode. After that, let me have a top view. So now I will select these four vertices by first going to the vertex mode, and I have selected, yes, the vertices are selected. So now I will scale them up on the x-axis by pressing GX. So now, yeah, I think this will be perfect. And now I will scale it down on the y-axis. Yes, I think this will be good. So now I think I should add three more edges by pressing Ctrl R. And now I'm scrolling the wheel up on my mouse. So this would be perfect. And now I will select the middle one and I will scale it up on the y-axis. So I think this one will be perfect, and I also have to do the same thing with the other two edges that I have added. So I think this would be perfect. So I think I have to scale it up more, so I am scaling them up more, a little bit more, to have a perfect shape of a spoon. Now I think this is perfect, and I think we should have some pointed edge, pointed shapes at the tip. So I will add some two more edges. So I have pressed Ctrl R and I will now scroll the wheel up. So I have had two edges, and now I will select these middle two vertices and scale them up on the x axis by pressing GX. So I think this much will be perfect. Yes, and same with these two vertices. I also have to scale them up by pressing GX on the X axis. This would be perfect, and now I think I have to extrude it to make the handle of the spoon from where we pick up the spoon, and we will extrude it on the X axis. Yes, this much is best, and let me have a better view for the making extrusions. And now I will scale it down on the Y axis to have a good looking spoon. A little bit scale, I will scale it down a little bit. Yes, it will be perfect. And now I will again extrude it on the X axis and again scale it down on the Y axis. So let me extrude it again. I will extrude it again on the X axis. I have extruded it, and now I will scale it up on the Y axis. Yes, this will be, I think, yes, this will be perfect. And now I will have the last extrusion from here, which will be a small one. So let me extrude it on the X axis, and this will be perfect. And now I will again scale it up on the Y axis. Yes, it is good, but I think the handle of the spoon is short, so I will delete the last extrusion under scaling up by pressing Ctrl Z, and I will have one extra extrusion. So I will extrude it again on the X axis. So let me extrude it. Yes, I think this will be perfect. So now I will scale it up on Y axis again. So, and now we will have the last extrusion that we a small one that we were having later on. So now let me scale it up. Yes, I think this is looking good. So now I think the handle is looking perfect, and now I will bevel it with the help of Control B so that we can have a good looking tip of the spoon. Yes, now we have had good looking spoon tip, but this part is not looking this much good, so much good. So let me give it a better shape. So first of all, I will select these faces or vertices, we can say. Then I will uh, bring it down by moving it on the Z axis so that we can have that bump that the spoon have. Yes, it is looking good now. So we have had a spoon. So now I will select these vertices where the tip and the round part is meeting, and I will scale it and I will move it up a little bit as the spoon is not flat. So let me move it on the z-axis, GZ, and now I will move it up. So yes, as you can see that the spoon is not flat, so it is a little bit curved, the handle, and there is an angle between the handle and the spoon's round part. So I will scale it up a little bit, and same with the other edges like this one. So now I will select this and again scale it up on Z axis by pressing GZ. Actually, I am moving them. I'm not scaling them up. I am moving them on the Z axis. So I think I have to like move it up all more. So yes, I think this will be perfect. So yes, I have moved it, and now with the other remaining edges, and now let's select this one and move them up on the Z axis, and now this one, and I will move it up. I will move them up a little bit so that we can have a good looking curve and the angle. So now the last one, and let me select it and moving it up on the Z axis. Yes, now I think we have had a good looking spoon. Yes, I think we have had a good looking spoon now. Yes. So now I think nothing is remaining in this our spoon. So now I will go to the other mode and add modifier and subdivision surface so that we can have a smooth spoon and a smooth surface. Now I will go to the object mode to have a better view of our spoon. Yes, now I think our spoon is looking good. So now I will increase the viewport from here and increase it to 2, and so that we can have a good subdivision surface, and we will have a smooth spoon. So now I think our spoon is ready. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and if you like the spoon, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.